My name is Dr. Laura Souza, and I work at Hornbrook Center for Dentistry. I've been working with him for about like 7 or 8 months, and I'm from Brazil. I went to dental school in Brazil, and I went to dental school also in Loma Linda University in California. Who introduced me to Diashine was Dr. David Hornbrook when I started working with him. And yes, I noticed with the Diashine I have a perfect finish restoration. Like when I cement a porcelain restoration, I can remove all the cement and polish all the cement, and then I use Diashine at the end, and I have that tooth looking just like a natural tooth, like natural enamel. Now I feel that I can live without it. I use it all the time.